In this video, I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts on mobile. This is going to be a full guide video. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your YouTube. So if you want to upload the YouTube Shorts, click on this plus icon. Click on this add. So I'm going to just use this for an example. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on done. So what you need to do, click on next. So wait for it to open up. So you can come on here, you can be able to add your short caption, right? You can just type in, let me say, good one. Set it to public. It should be in public. Then you can be able to come on here, choose this as well if you want. Then make sure this is in this second option, right? Make sure it's in the second option. So you can still come on here. So if the short is a paid promotion, you can come on here as well and include it, right? It can be yes, it can be no. So once this is done, you can just click on this. You can come on here as well, I think, to choose your thumbnail. So you can come on here, you can choose any of them, right? So go back. So once this is done, what you're going to do now, you can be able to come on here as well and make sure this is on or off. Once you are done, if you click on the upload, it's going to be able to upload. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. I'm going to see you in the next video.